Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Thank you for being here. I'm coming at you with a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. And so you'll have to go check out that video and get my review or whatever on that. So, but anyway, today I have the Macys Beauty Box. I just got it in the mail, I think yesterday. So anyway, here it is, and I'm going to share what's in here, and we'll talk about that. So let's get to it. Okay, friends. First of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. I would love it if you would subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment. All those things are so appreciated, so thank you for that. And we're getting in here, we're pulling out our pink, it feels kind of heavy. We're pulling out our pink pack of goods, and we've got a $5 off beauty supply. This says, I think, a $30 beauty purchase. So I think last month they gave us like 15 or something. Anyway, it was 10. Got a $10 one, but anyway, so here we go. I always love the pink tissue, and like I said, it feels kind of heavy. It feels like there might be more in here than normal. So now this, okay, I'm getting a look at it. I think I have the wrong information. I think it's next month, so it's going to be really exciting. I don't know why I'm seeing what's in here, and I pulled up the thing, but okay, this is May, not June. Okay, June's looks really exciting because I took a peek at it, but this is May. And so the first thing I have here is a Tony Moly. It's a sheet mask. It just has a $3 value, moisturizing. I'm not a fan of these. They make my face feel icky. I don't know. I just don't love sheet masks, but anyway, that's just my personal opinion. And so the next thing we have here is, it looks like we have from Kate Somerville, a Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. It's $79 for a 2 ounce. Of course, this is just a little sample size. I think this is 0.5 ounce right here, but I do like exfoliators, and this is small, but I like it. I can use it for travel or whatever, so I'm sure I'll use this. I like Kate Somerville products, so that's a winner. And then the next thing I have here is from, let's see here. This is from Perricone MD, and this is right here. This is a Retinol Recovery Overnight Moisturizer. So it's a $99 for 2 ounces, $99. Of course, this is just a little sample, but I don't know, overnight retinol. So it's a moisturizer. So I think it's something I would use. I like to keep stuff like this by my bed and put them on at night. So anyway, there's that. The next thing we have here is from First Aid Beauty, and this is the Pure Skin Face Cleanser. I'm not sure I've used their face cleanser. I've used a lot of their products, but I have not used their face cleanser, but once again, that's a good travel size. So there's that. This is actually for 11 ounce. It's $42. So, or no, it's a $53 value. They have it on sale for $42 right now. So that's kind of an expensive cleanser. So I better be using that. Okay, and let's see what else we have here. I have something from Clinique, and it is, let's see what this is. This is a jumbo, well, this is a sample of the Jumbo Moisture Surge Auto Replenishing Hydrator Gel Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. It's valued at $86 for the full size. So yeah, it's okay. This is, you know, not like, oh, I'm crazy about this, but it's okay. And then I have, and this isn't on here, so I don't know where this came from. This is a Peter Thomas Roth. This is a water, let's see. I need my glasses for this because it's water drench broad spectrum SPF 45 hyaluronic cloud moisturizer. Wow, so that has a good, that Peter Thomas Roth is awesome brand. That has a good SPF, a good moisturizer for your face. So again, it's just a tiny sample, but that's okay, I can use it. And so that is my, okay, so they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 6th item. And then there's one more thing here. I have no idea what this is. I have a feeling it might be like a sweatband or something, I don't know. Or face wash, something. Okay. Yeah, so it's just, you know, I think, don't you use this to wash your face? You just put it, anyway. So I don't know, pull your hair back. Velcro. It actually seems like a good quality. It's not something I use a lot myself, but anyway, that was kind of a nice little bonus. So yeah, I've got the 5 items. I've got the mask, and we've got this Kate Somerville exfoliate. We've got the Clinique moisturizer, and the, what one was this again? This was the Perricone MD. It's the overnight mask, the face wash, and the Peter Thomas Roth, along with the bonus. So anyway, we got 7 items this month. So some of these are really good samples and stuff to try. So I'm not too disappointed with it. It was a $55 value. For me, it was more like the $15 value that I paid for it. But anyway, it's pretty good. So that was it for the Macys Beauty Box for the month of May. So let me know what you think in the comments. I do appreciate you guys being here, and I appreciate your support. So thank you for that. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.